So, you're here to find out what it's like to have a heart attack. Well, we don't have much time because with heart attacks you never do. Well, let's start with the first symptom most people think of. Yes, chest pains. Well, we've all heard of the classic chest pains, but it may not always be that severe. It could be a bit of tightness or discomfort in and around the chest. No doubt you'll shrug this off. I mean, slight chest discomfort, tightness, not worth worrying about, right? Wrong. What if it spreads to your arms? Still not convinced you're having a heart attack? Or what if you feel dizzy, lightheaded? Oh, still thinking, don't make a fuss. What if it spreads to your neck, to your jaw? You're probably thinking, tough it out, it will pass. What if it doesn't? The longer you leave it, the more your heart dies. How about difficulty breathing? Rising panic, sweaty, clammy. Could be indigestion, last night's curry. Stress. But what if it's your body telling you to get help? Don't kid yourself. If you're having chest pains or discomfort with any of these symptoms, or even if you're feeling unwell, dial 999. Now this may surprise you. The ambulance service would rather see you and discover it's not a heart attack than arrive too late. Every second counts. I know you think you'd feel embarrassed if it's not actually a heart attack, but imagine how you'll feel if it is, and you left it too late. Imagine that.